Hello guys, I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and we haven't um, upload no videos lately. I have been a while. Is that I haven't been motivated, and but here we are. We're gonna see this photo we got that I took. It's okay photo, but we're gonna turn this to better looking photo. We're gonna make this in black and white. And to begin, now we go to the first of all, let's go to lens correction and hit auto remove, chromatic aberration. You know all these stuff, all these steps. And okay, and I don't like that, so go back and close that. So now we got those basic. Now we go to the basic panel, and we go to black and white, and that looks okay. But we're gonna put some a little bit more setting. So now I go to highlight. You can see there, and now I'm gonna bring the highlight to 15 minus 15, and I'm gonna go to shadows. I'm gonna bring that up to plus 20, and now I'm gonna go all the way to blacks. You can see black. I'm gonna go minus 20. We're gonna go 20. We're not gonna touch clarity. So now we go to um, tone curve. Then we're gonna put a point about here, and one about let me see, here, and one about here. We're gonna bring this one up like that, and then we're gonna bring this one down like this to about there, right there, and then this one right here, we're just gonna bring it up a little bit up, leave it like that. There you can see a little bit of different already. Now I'm gonna go to the HSL panel, and you can see there I haven't gonna touch nothing. That looks good so far. um, After that, I'm going to go to the split toning. And on split toning, I'm gonna put right here, I'm gonna go and press 80, put 80. That looks good. And I'm just gonna leave that like that. And over here, I'm just gonna press 200. I'm gonna put 200 and leave it there, and that looks okay. Detail, we're gonna leave. Well, we're gonna put this up a little bit to 50. Radius, I'm gonna bring it down to a little to 8, like that. Detail, leave it like that. Mask, press all and right click on the mouse, and only the white things are getting sharp. Okay, that looks good. No noise reduction. Let me see, effects. Let's go to effects. I'm gonna bring a little bit of grain on this, just about that. That looks good. Now I'm gonna get a brush right here, adjustment brush. I'm gonna bring to exposure. The exposure, I'm gonna bring it all the way down, and I'm gonna hit darken everything here. You can see, I like black background, and I'm gonna take off some of this right here. I'm gonna make this smaller. I'm gonna, you know, okay, I'm gonna go there. Please take your time. Subscribe, leave your comment, share, put thumbs up to them, please, and leave your comment. I will appreciate it, and it will motivate me to do more video lately, because I haven't done no. You can notice it's been a while for me. I don't know. I haven't feel motivated to do more video, and that sometimes just take you out of motivation, and that's what I have done. To me, I haven't done no video, but if you comment and leave your comments, I'll probably go back to motivation and just be doing more video. You know what? I'm gonna go over here. All this. I'm gonna take all this. Just gonna leave this thing right here. I know I'm going over a little bit over when I'm not supposed to, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that in a minute. And right here, right there, just I want these to be real clear. And you can see right away, we're gonna do some more adjustment, but you can see right away how this looks. It looks greater. It looks great, great. And there you go. I'm gonna do a little bit there, you know, and a little bit here. You can see this. This is something simple. You can do it yourself. You know what? This one right here is gonna go. It gotta go. I don't know. To me, it gotta go. Looks good so far. Okay, now let me press Alt on the mouse, on the keyboard, and you can see the mouse is minus. That means it's gonna take off where I'm gonna hit. Press it. I'm gonna take off a little bit because I want this to be showing, you know. And just be careful. There you go. And that looks good. Yep. So that looks good so far. All right, this looks good. And this is I don't know what kind of plant is this, but I saw it. It looks nice. I liked it, so I took the picture. And yeah, something simple and easy that only I can do. Let me press here. I'm gonna let go of that and now press right here because this didn't went nowhere. I want this to be dark. That looks good. Okay, right here too, a little bit right here. There you go. And so far, I think that looks good, but we're gonna do more. You know, we're not gonna stand there and leave that like that. You know, it doesn't look right like that. But before and after, you can see a big difference. Anyway, now I'm gonna go and open another brush, and this time, sorry, I'm gonna open another brush, and this time I'm gonna leave exposure, but I'm gonna bring exposure up to about 70, 61. Sorry, and now I'm gonna whiten these spot right here, all these, you know, to make it jump a little bit more, you know. Just whiten these area here, and that looks good. White, the same thing here, you know, whiten. That looks good, and I like that dark right here, these dark spot, you know, make this photo look very nice. And it brings us back, you know, I don't know, alive. I like it. I liked it like that in black and white. I tried in color, but I like this one in black and white. Also, if you want to, I do an edit this one on color. Let me just know. Let me leave your comment. Let me know there. Please, like I said, subscribe, leave your comment, share, and that would be nice right there. That looks good. Okay, that makes it pop a little bit more. You can see these flowers more. Now I'm gonna go and get another brush, and this brush I'm gonna go and bring it to contrast. Let me see where's contrast. Sorry, a little bit of contrast. That looks good. I want to make this more contrast right here, more darker. You know, that looks good. This too, bring contrast to this area because it's kind of a little bit of dull, but you know, right here. That looks good. You can press all to see where you're putting this mask, and you know, and play around. You know, make it look nice. That one is contrast enough. I like that one, so I'm not gonna touch that one. But these, oops, I went over it. I'm gonna leave it. This was like, I don't know what it was there, but I just took the picture. I didn't notice when I was taking the picture there, so that's why you always gotta focus and pay attention to the subject. That you're gonna take a picture, because I would have took this off, but since it's there, I'm not gonna even bother. I'm just gonna leave it. You give a little different dimension to it, you know. Anyway, that looks good. Let me bring this contrast a little bit more darker, you know, to make it a little darker, like, you know, the drama. So I bring it to 74. That looks good. A little bit of clarity. 15, you know, to bring this back alive. Bring it alive. No, just playing. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. So I like this. I don't know. I like it so far. Let me get this and duplicate that to make everything darker. You know, just in case. And you know, that looks good to me. So look at that. That looks beautiful. Oh, we got something here. And we're gonna do this from. We're gonna open this and boom. Bring the, oh sorry, we bring this in contrast. We're gonna bring exposure, bring it all the way down. Boom. Hit this area right here. Yeah, we gotta hit this area because I saw some little white spot here, and this is very dark. You know. That's, oh, did I went out? No, I didn't. Oh, scare me. Okay. So anyway, close that there. That looks good. I like this. We came from this photo that you can see on my left side right here. This left side. Um, it looks okay, but maybe in color, I don't know. Probably I would have liked it. I don't know. Well, comment please. Leave your comment if probably you want to see it in white. I mean colors. But I like it so far in black and white. This looks very how you say promising, very nice. You never know. I don't know. I like this one. I might one day take my time and print it and metal print. You know. But this is where we came from. We came before and after, and I like this one. Please comment, subscribe, leave your comment, and let me know if you like this. If you didn't, you know, some people not like it for color. They like the color one. They probably don't like the black and white. I like both. You know, I like this one so far. Anyway, please take care. Comment. See you until next time. I'm your host, DV from DV Photography. Thank you. That will be all.